Hi everyone, welcome to day 3 of the Valentine / Love Card a Day for 14 days mini series. So for day 3 we're concentrating mostly on the Sweet Talk paper, another different piece. I am bringing in the Heart Punch pack, which is in the annual catalog. There's a scalloped one which we're actually not using on this card, and the plain one, but they come together as a pack. They're item number 151292, and they have been around for a little while, but if you don't have them, I suggest you get them because the annual catalog ends. I'm going to get this date right yet. So they're in here. Get them while you can, and don't wait till the last time if you want them, because once they sell out, they probably will not reorder them if it's close to the end. We're again using real red because that's the red color in the paper, and this is just a piece of 8.5 by 11 inch cardstock cut in half long ways at 4 1/4 and then scored at 5 1/2. Very easy card. So let me, and the stamp set we're going to use excuse me, is Banner Year. We're using Your Sweet on the outside, and on the inside we're going to use Guess Who Loves You and a strip of the paper. We're also going to use the postage stamp punch, which is in the annual catalog at 152709, and I cut this out of the designer paper. I think I've already done it. Yeah, the paper we used on day 2's card. On the back is a Blushing Bride, sort of a marbled color a little bit, but a faint marbling. So we're actually going to stamp on that, and then we'll also stamp on the inside of the card as well. So I've got all my bits and pieces here. Let's go ahead and get everything out. This is our card base. We can go ahead and glue this. So this is 5 1/2 by 4 1/4. This is 5 1/4 this way by 4. Standard overall mat. If you want to use paper, that's a good one to do. Now you could also use this side, but I want to show these heart lollipops and candies and things. The sweets that go with the Your Sweet from Banner Year, right? Now the Banner Year set does go with the Banner Pick-a-Punch, but that would work more with these longer sentiments as opposed to the ones that are like this. So I did not use it for this card. You could, oh, okay, well, I already kind of messed up. I did wrap this around the card and then put a fake knot here and tacked it down. So this is tacked down on either side, but I have some ribbon bows already cut, so I think I'm just going to put that over here like this. It is a little bulkier that way, but you know. And this ribbon is the mini ruffled ribbon. It's in the, it carried over from the August to December mini catalog. Last year's 2021, it was on page 9. It carried over to 2022, so it's on the website. It's item 156323, and it's just called Real Red Mini Ruffled Ribbon 3/8 inch if you're interested. It is a little bit on the bulky side, which is why I did a fake knot there, but I think it kind of squishes down a little bit. The ruffles make it not, and I'll trim the edges a little more. So that's just going to go here. But we also have our hearts, and I just put them kind of like this, you know, spaced out, and glued them both down. I did not bump those up. The only thing bumped up is the Your Sweet on the postage stamp. And I think you know probably how to use a punch. And again, I just used the plain one. This is Real Red cardstock. And this is out of the designer paper, flipped onto the other side. It all coordinates. So you can use, you know, it's one thing I love about Stampin' Up! Everything coordinates really well. So anyway, use your paper like that. And then I have a few glue dots left on here, I think. I have two, actually. I have one here. I did get out a new box, so we'll get that. Maybe this time I'll put it at an angle up here a little bit. And I may use the other one because this is pretty... Where did it go? This is a use it up day. Here it is. I'm going to put another one down because that feels a little wiggly to me. And this is a little bit thicker ribbon. There we go. And actually, let me trim that at an angle because this is a little bit too long. And that one's already trimmed at an angle, so we're good. Okay. Now, let's get rid of this and put this in my... I have three things for my recycle. The one ribbon I used up in the last card, the box from the new roll of mini glue dots, which, by the way, tie some kind of twine or whatever around this quite tight, because as you use it, it'll get looser and it'll be tough in the beginning, but that's what I've done. And actually, I need to cut that off of this because I don't think they want twine in the recycled bin. They get a little picky sometimes, you know? Can't blame them. Can't blame them for that. There, that's a little sidebar conversation. Okay, let's stamp. We're going to stamp there. This is a scrap of paper, which actually I think I'm going to put this way this time. And I'm going to put the glue on this paper. And I really shouldn't have done that until I stamped, but oh well. Because you know, if you have to flip it over, but I'm just going to have to get it right the first time. And that's it. We'll get it right the first time now, hopefully. All right, now we can stamp. All right, so we need our real red ink. And because this is Blushing Bride, and we're going to use Your Sweet, and we're also going to use this little heart, which we've been using out of the banner year. Okay, and the banner year is a really nice set for not only Valentine's, but also for Thanksgiving, for Halloween, for fall, and for Christmas. So I like getting those multi-use stamp sets. And it is in the annual, it's either, it carried over, so I think it's not in the, yes, it is in the annual on page 95, sorry. A little brain cramp there. It carried over from the holiday 2020, which I probably already told you. And we're going to put a heart down here at the bottom as well. And then that'll do it for that. And this we're going to put up on dimensionals. Let's see, where are they? Here they are. Now, if you're down to the bottom of your sheet, you can cut an edge. I even did that before I was down to the bottom of the sheet on this one. But on this one, I'm going to use one in each corner. Because the paper's a little thinner, I'm going to add, than cardstock, I'm going to add enough that it's not saggy. All right. I probably would add that many even with cardstock, but this way you make sure that your card is not sagging. And then we're just going to put it hopefully sort of straight here. Right, and we're going to get the Real Red Basic Jewels in the annual catalog. I don't have the page number written down, but they're in the back wherever the goodies are. But if you're going online, just look up Red Basic Jewels, Red Rhinestone Basic Jewels. And I like them because they sparkle, and they're tiny and they're pretty. And we could put, I only put 3. I guess I'll only put 3 on again. Okay. And then we have to stamp on the inside. Okay. And we're going to stamp. And this time we're going to stamp Guess Who Loves You. And I'm going to stand up to try and make sure. The grid paper is nice to put your cards straight, right? And then I'm going to stand up to try and make sure I get this somewhat straight on here. And I think I'm going to actually put another little heart or two. I'm just going to put one heart right here. Okay, I didn't do that on the other one, but why not? We have it out, we can use it, right? And that's it. That is the easy peasy card this time, but it's cute, right? You might need a little extra postage because of that ribbon. If you prefer, you could just use some white or pink twine. Or we have other red ribbon too. You could use that ribbon I finished from Pampered Pets. And we also have this flatter faux linen ribbon, which is part of the Sweet Talk suite actually that goes with this paper. And that's on page 9 of the January to June. I wrote 2021, but it's 2022 mini. And that would be nice on here too. And a little bit flatter bow it would make. So yeah, that's an option. Forgot about it. So there we go. Okay, and I am doing this giveaway, so this card will be giveaway. I will put it in an envelope, but you'll have to have your own envelope if you want to resend it somewhere. So this is the one that I'll give away, and if you would like it, just put a comment down below once this video is up, obviously, and indicate that you would like to be put in the drawing for card 3. This is card 3. I'm going to write this down also. Valentine love card. And on day 15, the day after all the videos go up for the one a day, I will do a separate video to do a drawing for each one of the days. Okay. And I'll announce the winners, and then I will need you to contact me. So day 15, I think that will be the 25th or 26th of January. I can't remember. And this is a Valentine card. So your Valentine's cards don't have to say Happy Valentine's Day, right? You could write that in yourself, but you're sweet. Guess who loves you? I think that's cute for Valentine's Day, right? And I see I just got a little imprint of ink on there. I'll get that. I'll have an eraser. I'll get that off with, so your card won't have that smudgy. There's just a tiny little smudgy right there. Okay. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.